How to recall an email in Outlook. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can recall an email in Outlook. So to recall an email in Outlook is the same thing as to unsend an email in Outlook. So the first step is to log in into your Outlook account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your Outlook's page. On this page, you'd see some options by the left side of the screen. You'd see your mail app, your calendar, people, groups, and then other applications. And then you'll see favorites, folders, and then groups. And then once you can see this, the next step is to go to your sent items menu, and it's located under the inbox. Then once you've selected it, you'll be taken to your sent items page. And the next step is to double click on the message you wish to recall until it pops up in another window. Alright. Then after double clicking on that window, move to the top part of the screen. Then you will see the file button. Alright. Click on it. Once you click on the file button, a box will be displayed. In the box being displayed, click on info. Alright. Once you're done, click the message resend and recall button, and then click recall this message. All right, I would have shown you practically, but I have not sent any item so far. But for you, just locate the item or the message you'd like to recall until it pops in that window. Select the file button, click info, then click message you send, and then the recall button, and then from there select recall this message, and the message would be recalled. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.